Hello everyone, today we'll be going over the slide transition, a simple but very effective transition to catch your viewers' attention in Final Cut Pro X. Here on the screen is our website, www.b3-studios.com, where you can find all types of plugins. Some are free on the website and some you have to pay for, but all in all, you will find some plugins that will help you and will enhance your everyday workflow in Final Cut Pro and make your job easier. Now let's get right into the video. Okay, so we are going to start off with a right slide transition. We have our clips here, and we're just gonna add some transitions to make these more dynamic and more appealing to the user. And these are very, very simple to use, just drag and drop transitions. Once you download these, the link will be in the description. You can just add these to your transition folder and they will be in Final Cut Pro. So here, I'm gonna apply a slide right transition here to make this clip look even better. So as we play this back, see that smooth, quick transition made the video that much better. Now we're gonna add another transition. Let's do the zoom in, panning up for this next one. Simple, easy drag and drop plugins right here. And for our next one, we can do a slide left. So let's start these over and let's see how they look all in sequence. Nice. Like I said, guys, these are very simple drag and drop transitions that you can use in your everyday workflow. Very clean, very smooth. And also you can make adjustments to the motion blur with these plugins as well. You can increase it, decrease it, where the end zoom amount is, the start zoom amount. So you can adjust it with the parameters that are there if you would like. And yeah, guys, if this video helps you out in any way, please like and subscribe. If you would like to have any other Final Cut Pro tutorials made, please comment down below. Be sure to check out our website where we have plenty of Final Cut Pro plugins. Some are free and some you have to pay for, but just go check it out. We'll be coming out with a lot more content soon, guys, so stay tuned. All right, guys, I'll see you and talk to you soon. All right, bye.